Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make strawberry sorbet. To begin, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of frozen strawberries, which are the star of our show. Next, grab 1/2 cup of granulated sugar to add the perfect touch of sweetness. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice on hand. It brightens the flavor beautifully. This combination ensures a vibrant and delicious sorbet every time. Now, let's get blending. Place your 4 cups of frozen strawberries, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into a robust food processor. Begin by pulsing the mixture several times to break up the frozen fruit. Remember to stop and scrape down the sides of the bowl often. This ensures everything incorporates evenly. Keep processing until you achieve a wonderfully smooth, thick, and creamy consistency. Sometimes, the mixture might be a bit too thick. If so, add just 1 or 2 tablespoons of cold water, one at a time, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Be careful not to add too much liquid, as this can lead to an icy texture. Now is also a great time to taste your sorbet and adjust the sweetness or tartness with a little more sugar or lemon juice if needed. Your homemade strawberry sorbet is now ready to enjoy. For the absolute best experience, serve it immediately while it's still wonderfully soft and creamy. You can garnish it with a fresh mint sprig or a whole strawberry for an extra touch of elegance. If you have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the freezer. This refreshing treat is perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.